Hello and welcome, and next I am planning to show you that how to repair if our Toyota Camry cars this door lock has been damaged and broken in that way, and this job starts so that I need to disassemble this doors inside area first, and let's go to look that next. Okay, and here I have one product what we are planning to use next, and this is fiberglass filler, and this is not very expensive. There is information that good comments, and this is fiberglass product, and like that one I can recommend, and manufacturer is 3M, what is very high quality maker, and this is good stuff, and next we start to use that product. Okay, and now when I am planning to install these two places together, it is important to use knife and clean and make there more friction, like scratches in this plastic. And because I am planning to use in here fiberglass padding, fiberglass, and that's I do in here the small scratches, and especially in that area in here I am planning to insert in here this fiberglass in these holes, and maybe it keeps that in right position, and it's good to insert that in that way, and then use some weight. I have in here this my tool, and I use that like weight that they are in right position, and then I insert this my fiberglass padding and glue in here in that position, and let's look at what happens next. What happens next? Okay, and here is this my plastic padding, and this is fiberglass this padding, and there is two components, this gray and then this pink, and when I combine these things, then this reaction, this glue reaction starts, and this is harmful stuff, and use gloves because this creates cancer and allergicity and other things, and work in outside. And now I have mixed these two components, and this my fiberglass thing is ready for use, and I think that I use my knife and carefully knife, and in that area I am planning to insert this most that way. In this way, and this fiberglass is very durable stuff. Then it goes in there, and then I insert a little bit more, and I can insert this glue only in this central area, because these outer areas takes contact to car body, and that's I can insert that stuff in, and then I need to press that deeper that this takes contact. Good, and then I insert even in here a little bit more, and this fiberglass is interesting stuff because it makes this thing quite strong. Okay, now I think that there is enough, and then I can use my fingers, and note I have gloves, do not ever touch this stuff by your hand. Now I think that this looks quite nice, and in that area I have to be carefully because this is contact point. And then this fiberglass works so that only 5 minutes and it starts to become dry. And I have normally time only like 1 minute to mixture. And now I believe that everything is ready. And I insert this my tool in here. And then I need to wait something like 10 minutes that I can move that, and within 30 minutes I can install this thing back. Okay, good. And then I need to only wait a little bit that this glue is dry. Okay, and now this my fiberglass glue is dry, and it has been there now like 30 minutes, and fiberglass becomes like that there is this glass particles, and it is like a little bit similar than Kevlar vest. It is like those glue, and then I believe that it is glass, these particles, and it is used to good handle with gloves because it is harmful. And now when I take this my work away in this my cotton cloth, because there's I rotate that in this side, and then I take these things away. Now there is a situation that this my fix, it has been works. Now I need to take only these parts in here away. And for that job I can use my knife. Carefully I can handle, and now there is small area in here where is this white fiberglass, and that's I need to paint that area later. That it is same color that one. But other hand, this looks even better than before, because now these parts are together, and the idea is that that part is full of this fiberglass, that material, what is very durable, and especially when it takes contact, then I can check that is this my handle working, looks good, and then I can go to install that back in this my car. And of course there is this gasket what I need to install. Of course it is important, and now gasket is in back. Good, and then we can go to install that in this door. Okay, and that kind of information, and thank you for watching that video. Okay, and here is this final repair, and now this door handle is working much more better, and I must to insert in here a little bit this black paint, and then it looks better. But overall now there is no this bad thing in there, and in that way we can repair these door handles by self. And of course these locks look also better, even that it is not yet workable, because this lock I couldn't fix that lock, but this way. Okay, and thank you again, and have a nice day to you.